Solid rustic wood furniture and crafts are not just objects created for utility or decoration. They are living expressions of a philosophy that honors resources, celebrates creativity, and embodies a sustainable, purposeful journey that enriches both the maker and the world around them. For every curve, grain, and imperfection in rustic wood tells a story of resilience, history, and timeless beauty, and when those raw materials are shaped into furniture or decor, what emerges is far more than a table, chair, or sculpture. It is a narrative carved from the earth itself, reborn with human imagination and intention. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of organic and elegant solid rustic wood furniture and crafts design ideas for sustainable masterpiece of home interiors decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. To work with solid rustic wood is to embrace authenticity, to find value in the natural qualities that others might overlook, the cracks, knots, and weathered textures that hold echoes of seasons past, winds endured, and rains absorbed. Because unlike manufactured materials that strive for perfection, rustic wood thrives in its imperfections, becoming an honest mirror of nature's character and a reminder that beauty lies in the raw, the simple, and the enduring. When a craftsman chooses to shape a rustic beam into a side table, a reclaimed log into a bench, or salvaged planks into shelving, the act is more than woodworking. It is an homage to sustainability, a conscious decision to extend the life of a resource that otherwise may have been discarded or left to decay, turning it instead into something functional, purposeful, and deeply meaningful. In an era where fast furniture dominates markets, built cheaply and destined for quick replacement, rustic wood crafts stand as a quiet rebellion, embodying durability, timelessness, and an emotional connection to both nature and home, proving that sustainable living is not about sacrificing style or convenience, but about weaving value, longevity, and intention into every corner of our spaces. The beauty of rustic furniture is not only in its aesthetic, but in the journey it represents. A fallen tree branch that might have been burned or forgotten becomes a coffee table centerpiece admired for its organic form. An old barn beam, weathered by years of labor, finds new purpose as a modern console in a contemporary home, bridging past and present. A broken wooden chair, infused with fresh design and careful repair, regains life as a striking statement piece that embodies resilience and creativity. For the maker, this process is transformative as well, because woodworking in rustic form does not demand perfection of cut or polish, but rather an openness to collaborate with the wood itself, letting its natural shape and features guide the design, reminding the craftsman that art and life alike are most beautiful when allowed to flow naturally. The purpose-driven journey of rustic crafts extends beyond the workshop, reaching into the homes of buyers and admirers who crave uniqueness, authenticity, and sustainability in a world saturated with mass-produced sameness. Because when someone invests in a handcrafted rustic table or wall art, they are not just buying furniture, they're investing in a story, in an object that has lived one life and been reborn into another, carrying both the marks of time and the hands of its creator. This exchange enriches both maker and buyer, one finding fulfillment in giving purpose to materials and in expressing creativity, the other finding joy and meaning in surrounding themselves with pieces that resonate on a deeper level, adding warmth, personality, and soul to their living spaces. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. Solid rustic wood furniture and crafts therefore become bridges between sustainability and style, between nature and design, between the past and the future, proving that creation can be both profitable and purposeful when it aligns with values that honor the earth and celebrate human ingenuity. For entrepreneurs, hobbyists, or seasoned artisans, the rustic woodworking journey offers endless opportunities, from building eco-conscious brands that respond to the growing demand for sustainable home decor, to creating one-of-a-kind heirloom pieces that families will treasure for generations, to simply finding personal peace and satisfaction in the mindful act of crafting something real, tangible, and enduring. It is this very act of shaping wood with care and vision that transforms simple materials into treasures, reminding us that every knot in the wood, every reclaimed plank, every weathered surface carries not just aesthetic value, but also emotional and cultural significance. What truly sets solid rustic wood furniture and crafts apart is the emotional intimacy they carry into every space they occupy. Because these are not lifeless objects assembled by machines, but carefully imagined and hand-shaped creations that hold both the breath of the forest and the spirit of the maker. When you run your hand across the surface of a rustic table, you feel the subtle ridges of the grain, the warmth of the wood that has absorbed both sunlight and rain in its previous life, and the craftsmanship of hands that shaped it with patience and vision. This is why rustic wood becomes more than decor. It becomes a living memory, one that grows richer with age and use, collecting the stories of the people and moments it witnesses. For the creator, each project is an invitation to transform the overlooked into the unforgettable, proving that sustainability and artistry are not separate pursuits, but harmonious partners in a meaningful life. Every rustic piece represents a bond between nature and human imagination, a reminder that by honoring resources, we also honor ourselves, leaving behind a legacy of beauty, function, and integrity that will inspire generations to come. Solid rustic wood furniture and crafts are not merely about decorating homes. They're about cultivating a way of life that honors resources instead of wasting them, celebrates creativity instead of conformity, and builds a sustainable, purposeful journey that inspires others to reimagine what is possible when we choose to craft with intention, respect, and heart. This is why rustic wood remains timeless. It speaks louder than trends, it outlives fleeting fashions, and it enriches lives by bringing the essence of nature into the spaces where we live, dream, and grow. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked organic and elegant solid rustic wood furniture and crafts design ideas for sustainable masterpiece of home interiors decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.